Stock market corrections are useful in gauging what is going on under the hood of corporations long before any information makes it into the public arena. For instance, looking at the relative strength of the top 5 AI stocks on my portfolio shows Google and Facebook showing relative strength, whilst Apple and Amazon are showing relative weakness, with Microsoft in the middle. What this is saying that one should definitely not make the mistake of selling Google or Facebook stock. Whilst as expected in my last AI stocks update, Apple and Amazon are looking tired and so are unlikely to start galloping higher anytime soon, and thus set to underperform for some time, whilst Microsoft is doing its own thing somewhere in the middle. In fact, the EC or expensive cheap ratio continues to prove to be a useful indicator, as it flagged what to expect in terms of relative strength going into the stock market summer correction, i.e. that Google and Facebook would remain strong in relative terms, whilst Apple would likely be the weakest of the 5, leaving Microsoft and Amazon to play piggy in the middle. I also know insiders have sold about 7 billion shares of Amazon over the past 30 days, which is why I suggested those who were looking to cash in profits could look to sell the more expensive stocks on my list, such as Amazon, Apple, Microsoft and Nvidia. I will be looking into further refining the EC indicator for my next update so as to enhance the deviation between stocks in terms of valuations. In the meantime, I will definitely be looking for an opportunity to buy more Google and Facebook stock over the coming weeks, and maybe Amazon and Microsoft in line with my last analysis, whilst Apple would need to fall quite some way to under $110 before I would contemplate adding, as Apple remains overvalued. And this video was an excerpt from my recent extensive analysis that concludes in my latest biotech stock picks with the potential to times 10 over the coming years. 5 more small cap biotech stocks to invest in for 2021 and beyond. That has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and forecast, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. So you get that analysis, and I've got my forthcoming schedule analysis that includes on Bitcoins and a crypto trend forecast and a bear market accumulation strategy that is complete. And after that I'll have more 10x stocks, probably biotech again, which is about 30% complete, and then look at UK house prices, and I'll eventually get around to completing how to get rich, which is actually 70% done. Then further along in my schedule is a look at the US dollar and British pound and gold and silver. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, it's more like a year now. That's what I was saying last year. If you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Cryptomania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining Budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with Budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So, this is how you mine Budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie to my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others won't come.